Hello, I'm Alex Ugwu, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Ọja. The last video I made was about debunking some of the things about some of the misconceptions about Ọja that people have. If you've not watched that video, you can follow this link and go and watch it. But today, what I'm going to be talking about is how to hold the Ọja, how to blow air into the Ọja, and that is how to make sound, and then the 7 basic. I think this is going to be a 3-part video, because the last one I tried to make it short and it still came out long. Not that long, but it still came out long. This one, I'm going to try to make it short too, but it is going to be a 3-part video. I'm going to chop it up into 3. So this is going to be part 1. I think that makes more sense. This is going to be part 1. Part 1 is about how to hold the Ọja. Let's start from that one first. So let's get this done. So how to hold the Ọja. Well, let me blow it first. So how to hold the Ọja. That one is out of it. So how to hold the Ọja. If you look at this instrument, you see that it has a hole here, and a hole here. Can you see it? So it has holes in these different places. You have to cover these 3 holes with your thumb, your middle finger, that is of your left hand, your thumb of your left hand, middle finger of your left hand, and then I want to say the middle finger. You know what I'm about to do now. So, but just know that it is this finger of your right hand. So your thumb goes to this side, middle finger goes to this side, that is of your left hand. Your index finger comes up to this place so that you can hold it in place well. And then take the middle finger of this hand. I know what I'm trying not to do. Take it and you put it under here. Look how I've placed it. You put it under here and then curve your hand. Watch. Then curve your hand. Put it under here, curve your hand. So necessarily you have something like this. Look, you have something like this going, and then have something like this. So yeah, you can either start by holding it from here and here, or then you can start by holding it with your right hand. This is a way to do it. You take your right hand, you hold it. When you've held it like this, you then slide your middle finger to under to the hole below. You slide your middle finger to the hole below. So watch, you hold the Ọja, then just slide your middle finger to the hole below. Then you take your thumb and your middle finger of your left hand, you place it here, and then use your index finger to hold it properly in place to your lips, to your mouth, so that you can then blow it. Usually, if you've not played for a long time and you hold it like this, this can be bad form, but it's not necessarily. It just have to be if it's spinning you. Sometimes your body can adapt. So usually it is better to curve your finger down like this. It's just harder to open these holes, but if you train with time, it is going to be easier. So I hold it like this. So when you hold it like this, then you can place the Ọja firmly on your lips, on your lower lip, to then blow. This helps for more movement. This helps you. The choice of fingers using this or this or this will not be as efficient as using your middle finger for this hole below. Same way, using your index finger is not going to be as efficient as using your middle finger, so that you can hold this place in place. You see what I did there now? So I can hold this place in place. So that's how to hold it. Take it, put your finger below, take your thumb here, take your your middle finger here, and then place it firmly. And then So I want to now start talking about how to blow air into it, but that will be in another video. I think this one is the exact length I want it to be. All right, so if you're watching this video on the day it is released, then the video about how to blow air into the Ọja is not yet out. But if you're watching this video 4 days or 5 days after the date of this one's release, then follow this link to the video of how to blow air into the Ọja. That is part 2 of this video. You know, the part 2, you've learned how to hold it. You're not going to hold it and just be waving it around. You're going to blow air into it. So you follow this link to the video of how to blow air into the Ọja. I follow the link now. Go away. Follow this link. Don't worry. If you like the video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. But learn how to blow air into the Ọja properly. I need more people playing this instrument. I used to hear, go and click this link. Go and learn how to blow air into the Ọja. Bye-bye. I used to hear. If you like, still be here. I'm not here again. Bye-bye.